everyone, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll give it a couple of minutes for more people to join before we start. Shravya, can you please share your screen? We'll get started soon.
Yeah, I'm just doing that.
Okay.
We'll just wait for 1 or 2 seconds more and we might start. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Shravya, I think we can start now. It's already 3 minutes past 4. So once again, welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining in. This is the second session of Android Study Jams, and Shravya will be facilitating this session as well. Shravya, over to you.
Thank you, Pranati. So, hi guys, I am Shravya and I will be acting as the facilitator for Android Study Jam 2021. So, for the people who haven't attended the last session, right? So, just a recap. Android Study Jam is a um, group study organized by Google, and in these group studies, every session we will be learning something new. And so, as the name suggests, we will be learning Android in this study jam. So, yeah, this is just a basic introduction about it. And yeah, what's in it for you when you complete your when you complete attending 3 sessions, we will be giving you a certificate. So I think that will add a value to your resume. So yeah, and in this session we will be going through some steps that we have to do before starting to build an app. So we'll first look at how to install um, Android Studio on Windows 10 so that we can get started with building an app. Any questions up to now?
No, ma'am.
So yeah, we will continue.
Shravya, I think the audio is not audible.
Oh, okay, my bad. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Can you all confirm if you can hear?
You're
Yeah, you're
audible, but
audible.
I think the audio in the video is not audible.
Oh, okay, okay.
If you're using earphones or headphones, just disconnect them and I think it'll be audible then.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll play it once again so you can confirm if it's audible.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
The voice in the video is not clearly audible.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll just play the video right now. I'll also leave the link of this video in the chat box so you can listen to it later. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, yeah. So from here, I think we will start doing the app. Sorry. So here I already installed Android Studio, and let's create a new project. We'll select an empty activity that will not have any prerequisites as the other ones have. So let's just select an empty activity for now. Let's name it something. My demo app. And let's keep all of the settings as is. And let's click on finish. It's actually the Gradle project is syncing, so it will take a minute or two. Let's just wait for that to happen. Yeah, I think that was done. So as you can see, there are two windows on the screen, right? So this is called the main activity.kt, that stands for Kotlin file. It's a Kotlin file. So here will be the place where you'll write your Kotlin code. And there's another activity main open, right? So in this, let's just, yeah. So in this, we can see how our app will look after we add images or add text and etc. Right? So as you can see, there is already a hello world on the text. I mean on the app. So without doing anything, let's just try and run this. Yeah, I think it will take a minute or something like that. So we will be able to see the output in something called the Android Emulator, right? So it will literally show you how the app will look on your phone. So I think it's loading. So I think this will come with the Android Studio. I don't think you need to download it otherwise. So yeah, I think it's taking some time to load. So Android Studio takes about 4 GB, right? So I think Yeah, so as you can see, the app that we created, my demo app, it's only showing hello world. So we can add stuff onto this. We can add images, we can add more text, we can add buttons, we can add all of those fun stuff. So let's try to add some text to it. So to add a text, as you can see on the left side, we have something called the text view. We click on that. And we drag that and drop it down. So we click on this. As you can see, there's something on top here, right? So we go there, and on the right side, as you can see, under the common attributes tab, we have something called the text, and here we can add our text. For example, this is my first app, and yeah, it's saying a missing constraint in the constraints layout. I think that will be too much for an introduction class, so I think we'll just stick to adding a text. And here we can increase, we have to select this and we can increase the font size. Let's just add 16 on all of the sides. Yeah, I think now it's okay. Yeah. And it is saying that the value that we enter, this is my first app, is a hard-coded text, right? So we can fix that by changing that into a string. So yeah, now you can see there is no errors. Now let's try to change the size. Yeah, and we just added some text, right? So we'll save this and we'll try to run it again. See, as you can see from the output, there is the text that we added. So yeah, that's how you add text to your app. So I think this is it for the first introduction session. So if you guys have any questions or anything that you want to say, you can feel free to say now.
I think there are no questions, Shravya. But yeah, it was a good session. We got a basic introduction to Android Studio. So thank you for that. And if anybody else has anything to say, you can say it now.
Yeah.
Okay, I think there are no questions. Shravya, can you mute?
My bad.
We're getting a resound actually.
Yeah, my bad.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll be having the next session very soon, maybe over the next week.
Yeah,
Someday.
probably Saturday or Sunday next time. Yeah, same
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. And that will kind of be our last session uh, in the Android Study Jam campaign.
Yeah. We were planning to get a guest lecture, or a speaker. Yeah, so we're still in talks about that. So we will confirm by Friday or Thursday.
Yeah. You can just stay tuned to our GDSC chapter page so that you'll get to know when an event is posted and you can register and join for it. But for today, let's wrap it up now. Thank you again
Yeah.
for joining, everybody. Thank you, Shravya, for the session. Yeah, and have a great day, guys.
Thank you, Praniti. Bye, guys.
Bye bye, everyone.